it's Rakina. I'm back with another video. So I'm just doing my makeup right now, but I actually want to be happy that we are at day 7 of Vlogmas. That's a whole week of consistency, y'all, and I think that's just amazing. So I've been on here for a whole week vlogging my life, what I'm doing while I'm waiting on this baby to come out. While I'm waiting on the baby to come out. So I've been on here vlogging and telling you guys what's going on now. I went and seen a lot of houses yesterday. I went to go see a lot of houses yesterday for the Christmas decorations. So I just want to show you guys like what all I seen. So I'm going to make sure I just pop some up on the screen now to show you everything that I've seen. Today, I don't want to be busy today. I woke up tired, very tired, so I don't want to be busy today. The only thing that I want to do is just get my work done that I have to get done, and that's it. And that's it, and I have to send some letters out. So that's the only thing that I want to do today. I don't want to do anything else. So I'll make sure I just show you guys all of the Christmas houses that I actually did see yesterday, so that you guys can just see what's going on around the area that I am. Some people had like a lot of decorations on their house, but some people didn't have any or like much. But I was still like, that's cute. You know, I was like, and it was nice too because for one thing, the kids, we did it right before their bedtime. So we had to go right away, right? We did it right before their bedtime. And just coming out of the garage, the kids were so happy about our decorations. They was like, oh my gosh, I love it. Look at ours. Look at our snowman. Mama, that's our snowman. They were like loving it, y'all. So it was really nice. And then like going down the streets and they're all, you know, looking at all these different houses. They were just they were so excited, like very excited about that. But I'm thinking about taking the kids swimming. So we have a pool here at our house, near our house, like for everybody in the area. So I'm thinking about just taking them swimming this weekend. So I don't think I should even go ahead and do anything to my hair. I think I should just let this die down, and we'll take it from there after the weekend. But oh wait, oh my gosh, you know what I need to be doing today? So my son is turning 7. So he's turning 7. So what I really need to be doing is I need to get all the stuff together for his party. And let me see here. I told him that he can invite friends from his school to his party. But then he said he don't want to invite friends. Well, he said he wanted to invite his friends, but then he said all his friends were going to be busy, so he didn't want to invite them. But I have everything planned for his birthday. I think I should just go get it today. I want him to have a party at his school, but they saying too, since COVID, nobody's having a party at the school. Like, don't even think about it. Like, it's not gonna happen. Ain't nobody gonna have a party unless you buy treats from the cafeteria. They got like certain little treats, but I thought it was expensive. Like per kid, I gotta pay 85 cents for like a small little like a little cake or something. I don't know. Like they have Rice Krispie treats, for example, $85 or 85 cents per kid in his classroom. And I was thinking too, and then the juice was like $1.10 per kid, and I'm like, I could have had this whole party, because what I usually do is just bring pizza, juice, treat bags, you know, like that. I could have had this whole thing done for like, what, $25, $30? And that's just that $30 only would give me enough to get everybody some juice, excuse me. I'm not doing that. So I already know what he's gonna do for his party, and we're gonna celebrate his party on Friday, so that's really good. We're gonna celebrate his party on Friday, and let me think. Yeah, I just gotta go get his balloons and stuff, but I can do that Friday. I can get all his balloons and stuff on Friday, and I gotta get him something to wear. He loves Pokemon, so I want to get him like Pokemon themed stuff. So let me try to find, well, it's Pokemon and Spider-Man, both of them. So I gotta go find stuff for that, but that's what I can be doing today, getting that together. And our Christmas pictures too. When I went to Children's Place, I seen a beautiful dress for my daughter. I'll make sure I pop it here up on the screen because I'm going to make sure I buy that today. I want to buy that today and try to get something for the boys, the 7 and the 3-year-old. I got to get something for them too, but that's what else I got to do today. I got to really book our pictures. So we went up there and we seen Santa Claus already, right? They were so excited. We seen Santa Claus, but I haven't booked it. So I will make sure I book that today. That's what I'm gonna do. But let y'all keep looking at all of the decorations that was in the neighborhood too. Let me not stop all of those decorations for you guys. Now, yesterday I was telling y'all about the kickoff, how you could pay $2 per month. You know, when I first started with them, my credit score went up 37 points. And you only got to pay $2 per month. Some people said their credit score went up more than that. So yeah, I was telling y'all about that, but I got a lot of good feedback from it. So I guess you guys understood exactly what I meant about getting that account and how it's only $2 per month and it will boost your credit score so much. A lot of, I got a comment from somebody saying nobody want to buy an ebook because what you're doing is really buying a $10 ebook and then paying $2 per month to pay the ebook off. That's all you're really doing. But I got some good feedback from that. Today, I don't know what I'm going to talk about today. I'm going to figure out what I'm going to talk about today on the video. Let me know if you guys have any examples. I mean, like the credit videos I make you guys, like, not examples, but something you want me to talk about because I can talk about it. Because all I want to do is go through my comments and see, like, what do y'all want? And I'll make a video about that. But let's look at my little baby bump before we go. So I can keep measuring these. I was thinking too, like even these videos, y'all can have these videos forever. Oh, he's actually moving in there too. Little baby is woke. Now look, y'all, I had these stretch marks before and they usually disappear like after I had a baby, but some of these over here is new and I'm getting scared. I'm getting scared. I'm gonna try to see if I can find a clip when I got my belly button pierced. Yeah, I see my belly look like literally a month before I got pregnant. So I'm just mad about that. And I kept my belly button pierced. I can't even really push this in because it's right there. I got my belly button pierced, but now, oh, did y'all see that? Hey, baby. Hey. No, he don't want to be bothered, y'all. But he definitely is right there. But I had got my belly button pierced, and it's like it turned into like a sore, a scab, a keloid thing. I don't know what to call it. So after I had a baby, I'm going to get my bottom part of my belly button pierced. But you see all the discoloration, like the dark marks? I don't know why my body do that. It does that, but that'll be gone too. Like my belly is just dark. Like, why is this dark? Then I had a tattoo over here. They got destroyed from old stretch marks, so that's not really that. That's not even in existence at this point. It's like faded away completely. But my dark spots will go back. I cannot wait to show y'all my home birth. I'm really so excited about that. Showing y'all my home birth. But yeah, let me know. I may even do maybe tomorrow I would watch my old birth and experience that with y'all again. Because I haven't watched it since I did it all the way through. I can't watch it. I remember the pain. I remember the pain, but maybe we'll do that tomorrow. Let's watch my birth, my old birth from beginning to end. Let's watch it together. And don't forget, it was an unassisted home birth without a doctor, without a nurse. It was just me, their dad, my aunt, my mom, and my sister there. That's it, pulling out a baby. So let's do that tomorrow. But let me end this out here, you guys. Hopefully you guys seen all of the Christmas decorations. No, I'm not really doing them today. I'm just getting all the stuff I gotta get together for our pictures, my son's birthday. I'm just gonna get all that stuff together, and I'll see you guys in the next video.